Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. It is the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, my haul of what I picked up. I don't know how exciting this is going to be. It's mostly like staples and things that I go through on a regular basis that I picked up. There is a free gift. There's a couple things that I wanted to experiment with, but overall I tried to be really good. Even though I look at this and I'm like, I didn't realize I ordered quite so much, but let's get into it. Before I start though, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really does help out a small YouTuber, any size YouTuber really, to like a video or dislike it, whatever. And then let me know what you picked up from the sale. If you picked up anything, or if you like any of these things or any of these staples in your collection, let me know. We're gonna start with something from Tula. This is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. I picked up two of these actually because I really liked the scrub. I've had samples of it in the past and I was like, oh, this is the one that I like, and it's 50% off. That's a great deal. It is kind of grayish when you get it. Anyway, it smells really good. I feel like it does a good exfoliation. It's not too harsh. It's not too gentle. Some of them like you put on and you're like, I don't even feel like anything happened. I was really happy that these were on sale for 50% off, so I did pick up two of them just to get myself through a little bit more in terms of skincare. Speaking of skincare, I picked up two of the packs of the Zitsticka. These are the Killa Deep Access Patch. I feel like these are the best, like, deep when you have zits and they're like more cystic and they're not coming to the surface. This is what I like to use. I haven't had any of those recently, so I do have some of these still, but I felt like I needed to pick them up now because, you know, these are expensive. I want to say these are $16 for 4 normally, so they were 8, so that's still $2 per patch, which is expensive, but it's better to have them backed up, ready to go, just in case you need them, rather than wanting them and not having them. So pick those up. We'll see when I actually use them. Fingers crossed I never have to use them. I would be happy to waste my money and never have to use another one. That would be awesome. Another kind of backup or just at the ready, because I know I will eventually use it, is from Korres. This is the Foaming Cream Cleanser. This has the Greek yogurt in it. I do really enjoy this cleanser. I've had several samples of it over the years and always really enjoyed it. So I decided to pick up a full size when they were half price. The only thing I will say, why am I unscrewing it? This doesn't really secure very well. So this is not one that I want to travel with. I'm kind of worried. I probably will store it upside down like this for the most part, just because I'm a little worried about the packaging. I don't feel like it's the best packaging on it, but happy to have another cleanser because I have been going through cleansers just a little bit more. I think it's because I've been taking out my showers because of all the cleaning I've been doing lately. So I always use my face wash on my neck and chest. So it's been getting a little extra. Been using a little bit more. Two other products that I've used before, no, not this particular one, but this is the Beautyblender BioPure Beauty Blender. I have not tried this particular one, but I go through beauty blenders on the regular, and I find that sometimes my favorite foundation, the Decay, what am I saying? The Estee Lauder Double Wear sometimes kind of gums up and eats up the beauty blenders a little bit more than other foundations. So always good to have a couple extra because they don't always last me 3 months. They sometimes only last me 2 months, and when they're $10, I don't mind doing that, but when they're $20, like, I want to get my money's worth. So $10 instead of $20, happy about that to have 2 more. So far there hasn't been anything like super exciting. These are just staples, things that I use on the regular for the most part. Once again, same thing. I picked up 2 of the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Sprays. This was too good of a deal to pass up. I do try to buy them like at the holidays when they do the 8-ounce bottle. It's like 8.1, so you get technically a little bit more than 2 of these smaller ones. But when these are half price, this is like, I think, the best deal I've seen. So yes, I have 2 more bottles of All-Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay. I go through this stuff on the regular. This is my favorite setting spray. I have been trying to do a little bit more a dewy setting spray, trying to use up some of the other setting sprays that I have as well. But this is my favorite long-lasting setting spray. I was doing the Milani. I thought I liked it, but not nearly as much as All Nighter. Before I show you the more exciting things, got some free gifts. Got a Better Than Sex mascara. It says Happy Birthday Sexy on it. That was a free gift with purchase. And then I got this little pack too, which I thought was funny. They were giving out free gifts, and I was, you know, I know they weren't covering shipping costs for some of my orders. So in here we have Peach and Lily Sun Shield Blurring Primer. We have from Glam Glow, it's the Youth Mud. We have Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Nars Afterglow Lip Balm. This is in the shade, their most famous shade. Then we have Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. Then we have the It Cosmetics CC Nude Glow. I haven't tried this one. I don't know if I would like it. I don't tend to like their face products. I've tried them before, so I think I'll just pass that one along. And then Clinique Even Better Clinical Radical Dark Spot Corrector. So just a random pack of samples. I don't know. They just added it to my basket one of my orders. Yes, I had everything in a Bath & Body Works small sack because it wasn't that much, and I was trying to keep everything corralled. Okay, next up, I picked up 2 of these from Too Faced, which is why I got the mascara. This is the Hangover Pillow Balm, and I've heard good things about these. Andrea Mattiliano, is that her name? She's talked about them, and I heard that they were good, so I did pick up 2. I couldn't decide if I was more interested in watermelon or banana, so I picked up both. I tried one of these. Which one did I try? Maybe I tried both of them, because it looks like I've played with both of them. So they do smell good. This just smells very much like an artificial watermelon. Kind of reminds me of the Bonnie Bell back from like the 90s. That watermelon. I haven't had that for such a long time. And this smells like banana runs. So they both smell good. They do have a bit of plumping. I wasn't expecting them to have like a bit of a stinging effect. Not nearly like any of their other products from Too Faced, but it's more subtle, but you do get a little bit. So I do have those. I'm excited about them. I will use them up. I don't know if I'll repurchase them though. We'll see. I've only tried it once, so I need some time. Then I picked up one of the Nars. This is the Afterglow Lip Balm. So I picked up Dolce Vita. I think this is a pretty color. I do have a lipstick in this color, like I said, and it's a nice shade. It's has just a little bit of a hint. I did enjoy it the one time I tried it. I haven't been using this too much because I wanted to film it, so I was kind of, you know, keeping it contained so that I would remember to film it. And then, yeah, so I'm finishing up one of my Tarte Maracuja lip balms, and then I'll probably throw this in my purse because I think I'm going to really enjoy this one too. It has a pretty color to it. I'm excited to keep playing with it. The final thing I picked up was from Jacqueline Cosmetics. This is the mini highlighter. I just decided to get a mini one because they had so many of them. I don't really need any more highlighters, but I heard such good things about these, and I was like, this is $8. And this is the one I ordered, this $8 highlighter. Free shipping because of my status at Ulta. I'm diamond? Whatever the top level is. I'm not anywhere near it this year, and I don't foresee myself getting there this year. So $8, and then they threw in that bag of samples, and I was very shocked. I picked this up in the shade Iced. I thought this would be the closest to my coloring, and that's what it looks like. It might be slightly dark for my skin tone. I think it will look nice though. Oh, that's so pretty. So I don't have a brush with me, but I don't know. Does it look more blinding? Who knows? So yeah, that is Iced from Jacqueline Cosmetics. This is the first thing I've purchased from them. Nothing else has, there's been a couple things that I'm like, oh, kind of interesting, but I don't know. I don't follow Jacqueline Hill. I was like, what is even her last name? I don't think I've even watched a video that she's done. I don't know. Maybe I have, but it's been a long time if I have. So she's not like somebody I have an affinity for or anything. I just thought this sounded pretty, and I heard good things about the highlighters, so wanted to pick one up. So that is it for my Ulta 21 days haul. It's a pretty short video. I didn't pick up too much. Like I said, I was trying to get mostly staples or things that I know I will go through. That lip balm I've heard really good things about from Nars. I've heard really good things about the lip balms from, or the pillow balms from Too Faced. So picked up a couple things, went out of my, not my comfort zone, but tried a couple new things, then just picked up things that were staples that I know that I'm going through and I don't have like a lot of backups of. So I may not, I wouldn't get through another year when they went on sale again. So that's why I picked them up now. Anyway, let me know how you are doing. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. And I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.